Alright, I'm going to take apart this Seagate 4 gig drive. And if you think that's the smallest drive I own, that actually would go to this Sugar 1002 at a whopping 10 megabytes. I'll put that back in my desktop later. This has already been partially disassembled because it was kind of gooey on the outside. My friend Kevin bought this in an iPod quite a long time ago. The drive didn't work, but he got it to convert it to flash to have a long life MP3 player. This drive has seen better days, like much of the stuff at the Saturday sale. Lots of times you get what you pay for, and this sad little drive has not fared well out there. Let's see. Ooh, cool. Looks like the whole back of it's just a sticker. See some of the internal structure of it. Let's see. Oh, there's a little triangle right there. God, these tiny screws. Oh, whoa, the whole thing came up. Okay, now the connector should come up with it. Ooh, dusty. Oh no! Oh well. Wow, look at that huge capacitor on there. Oh, come on. There we go. Two huge capacitors. One in there too. There's a low clock crystal. I guess to save space they potted, or what do they call that, flip chip? The blob chips on there. So it's got a little, maybe a flash chip there. I haven't looked any of this stuff up. Oh, Atmel, yeah. That's probably a flash chip. There's a tiny little connector there. Hey! What do you want? Yeah. It's all gooey on the back there. Let's see. It looks almost like this is just held together with stickers from here on. Oh, yeah. Cool. The motor is most of the size of the platter there. Kind of wish I brought some, like a brush to brush this off. Oh, yeah. That's pretty cool. Not very, long term, but you see right into the drive. Ugh, stickers. Those are also tri-wings. Oh, let me move this light up. Kind of hard to see this thing, it's so small. There we go. It's probably got like 2 threads in there. Oh no, yeah. Huh. Let's see. I don't know if that one has to come out. This one definitely does. Oh. Well, that one's lost forever. Okay. Is there a screw under there? Nope. An open hole. Yeah, let's take this one out too. Just in case it's holding something in there. Oh. Not sure what. Oh, there's. Oh. think that was holding a magnet or something. Yeah, okay. I see what's holding it. Well, let's start at this end. This end's not got a magnet. Oh, oh shit. And the middle one too. There we go. There we go. Let's see, this one's got a filter. Covers the whole top. And there's the little parking latch. Most of this is glued together or held together with other screws and stuff like that. Huh. So small. No. Oh no. Oh, that's got another one of those flip chips there. That one's just epoxied under it though. Ball grid style. Let's see, we can take this. Oop. Oh, huge ass fingerprint smudge on there. Wow, look at that. It's almost the size, a little larger than a quarter. You can see the little motor in there. Let's see if I can get the rear heads out. Ooh. There we go. And two more tri-wings. Huh. This one, the, whoop. Yeah, like I'm going to be able to use tri-wings again. This one, the magnet's in the top. Held to the cover. Yeah, there we go. Pop that out of there. There we go. Ta-da! One more teeny tiny head reading bearing. Let's see if I can get this off. This is probably just held on there with, yep, sticky. Oh, that was teeny tiny little coils on there. Oh, and it also tore off the freaking wiring. Oh well. Let's get that little gray ring magnet in there. The other one was laser welded on the back. Not sure, is this one? Nah. It might be a hydraulic bearing or whatever, but not sure. It kind of feels like it. Yeah, there we go. Looks more cavernous than the other one did. How deep the casing is. And that's probably because it's just a little compact flash card, practically. It's pretty much IDE on there. Cool. Another drive down. Got out the old X-ray tools. It looks like these are actually wire bonded and not just flip chip like the reader heads.